Let me show you how you can use few-shot prompting to create emails that sound just like you. Now I'm using the free version of the Microsoft 365 Copilot chat. I'll put a generic message in here saying congratulate the team on completing the customer onboarding project and outline next steps for training rollout. So here's the response that it gives me. And it's not bad, not at all, but it doesn't exactly sound like me. It's not concise. It has a lot of bold statements in here. It doesn't have a best regards at the end, which I always use. So let me train Copilot by giving it some examples of how I write so it can write just like me in the future. Let me first start with a new fresh chat altogether. Now let me show you in Notepad the prompt I'm going to give it. It says you are Microsoft Copilot for work. Your task is to draft an email based on the short instructions I'm giving you. I'm providing it a structure, providing my tone, and then I'm giving it very specific examples. Here's the input, here's the expected output. I'm telling it based on my previous emails. I have one additional example I'm giving it. Here's a second one. Again, I'm giving it very specific formatting. Then at the end, I have the exact same prompt that I gave it before, and now I have the output empty. So I'm going to copy the whole thing, put it into Copilot chat here, and let's see what it does. Let me scroll down and show you all of my content is in here, and the output is empty. And here we go. It has made the output now. Now this output is concise. It's got the best regards at the end, my signature at the end, and it sounds much, much more like me than a generic output. And that's how you can use few-shot prompting to get emails that sound like you.